Hi, to restart your Nothing CMF Phone one, I got several ways for you. So the first one is with the help of buttons. You can just press and hold this power button on the right side and this volume up button on the left side, just at the same time like that. And from here tap on this restart option. So as you can see, I didn't tap because I don't want to restart my phone right now, but in your case, you'll need to tap this restart button. Another way how you can restart it using buttons is to hold just power button itself, but sometimes Google Assistant can be triggered, so if you want to change function of your power button, then open settings. Here we would need to simply scroll down and find this tab special features. After that, choose gestures, and now for press and hold power button you'll need to switch from digital assistant to power menu. So let's test it. I'm gonna hold power button and yep, it's working. And what to do in case if buttons does not react or your phone is lagging, so maybe your button is stuck and you cannot press it. In that case, I'm going to show you a different way how you can restart the phone. So as we did before, open settings, then choose accessibility, and here scroll down and find accessibility menu. After that, you should enable accessibility menu shortcuts. Here, allow to have full control over the device. And now we got this button, this floating button actually, which we can drag anywhere across the edges of the screen. So tap it and from here choose power. And now you'll see the same power off menu. So tap restart and the phone is restarting. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.